Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to be a Shopify developer with AI and is it possible to become a Shopify developer without coding. So, if you want to become a Shopify developer and you don't like to learn coding, you want to be a Shopify developer just using AI like byte coding, that's mean you just share your prompt in AI and you get the result, then this tutorial will be very helpful for you. Here I am Faisal Ahmed working as a Shopify developer from last 6 years and SEO expert. Also right now working with AEO, answer engine optimization to present or make Shopify store product as an answer on ChatGPT, Copilot, DeepSeek. So first of all, I want to share the benefit if you want to be Shopify developer using AI. The number one benefit is that you don't have to learn any complex code like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, JS, Liquid, nothing, because you can build anything just sharing your prompt, sharing your idea on AI. And I have already making a lots of video where I share the solution snippet section design that I built with AI. So this is the number one benefit. You can start from scratch without any experience, with zero knowledge. This is the biggest benefit then that everyone like. The second thing is that you don't have to waste a lot of time to learn the coding because it takes time, and coding is totally different world than in our general world. So here you get another benefit, and another things is that using AI via Shopify developer, you don't need any advanced course, any paid course, anything. You can just start right now. Just go to your computer or laptop skill and type, I want to make Shopify store, make a Shopify store, make a Shopify homepage, design it, design this section. Everything will be ready, just following your prompt. So now I think you'll be inspired by hearing this benefit, and here is the main point that make you a little bit disappointed. So first of all, if you want to become a Shopify developer without any coding skill, then you cannot control your Shopify theme design section from scratch. When you face an issue, even you cannot explain to AI what actually happening because you don't know the term or words related Shopify development, web development, website design, backend, tools section, and lots of things. So as you cannot explain your requirement, your issue with AI, then you cannot solve this issue. So this is the biggest part. Still now, Shopify store user come to me for service to design their Shopify store, fix their issue, customize development, because they try to make Shopify store by themselves using AI, and then they face the such hidden issue, and this time they need a experienced developer who actually had coding and AI skill both in together. So this is very hard things that you have to understand, you have to remember. Without custom coding knowledge, you cannot be a solid advanced developer. So this must you have to know. But I want to also make you a little bit happy. Just sharing the important things is that now it's easy to learn coding because I help you to learn everything in an easy way in a fast time with a real example. So if you want to learn and seriously want to become a Shopify developer, then it's possible within few months. Just work regularly 3 months, then you can become a Shopify developer. And another things is that when you make your Shopify store with AI, it's definitely not SEO optimized, no AEO optimized, and no speed optimized. That's mean while any Shopify store with AI definitely make a negative effect or impact on any business when they start marketing, because their store is not optimized for SEO, AEO, and speed, and it's ultimately make a lot of loss of their money when they start any ad campaigns, hire anyone for SEO, AEO, and speed optimization, because they have to totally change their theme and they have to build it from custom scales because they made it with AI, and everyone realized it a little bit later, few months later and few years later. Also, as a Shopify developer, you cannot make much money just be a AI expert if you don't learn the backend custom code from scratch. So here is my personal recommendation for you. If you seriously want to become a Shopify developer, then start learning coding. Coding is not hard if you start learn from scratch and practice regularly. So if you want to learn, then you can start Shopify basics, setup, then customize, then development. After that, you can say yourself, I am a Shopify developer and ready to make any Shopify store from scratch for any business. And here is the good news is that you will get the all the guideline in this YouTube channel, and you will find maximum video as resource for your Shopify development journey. So thank you so much for your time to watch this video. If you think this video is helpful, then click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. And if you need any service support relevant Shopify, WordPress or SEO, then you can contact with me. Have a nice day. Bye bye.